Hi guys, I am back with another video. In today's video, I've seen this ponytail style go viral on Instagram, and I really wanted to recreate it, but I decided to recreate it in a more simpler way. So I would love for you guys to continue watching this video. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share this video. And what are you waiting on? If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel.
Life on that line. LOL.
Let's get started. You'll need a rubber band medium to large in size. I use small perm rods. The hair that I'll be using this evening is X-pression African Collection in the number 2. The hair comes with a black rubber band around it. I'm keeping the rubber band in place because the rubber band will be my anchor. I used my wig stand to hold the hair steady. You can use your doorknob if you don't have a wig stand. I'm going to pull some hair out, not too much, and I'm going to separate it using the rubber band. Once the hair is separated and secure, now I'm going to begin to braid. I'm braiding this really loose. The key is to make it slack as possible. Do not braid it tight if you want the butterfly effect. I won't braid this hair all the way to the ends simply because I want the curl effect at the bottom. So I'm going to tie the braid with the rubber band. So now I'm going to fluff the braid by pulling the outer corner to create the butterfly effect. I'm starting at the bottom and I'm going to work my way up. For the curl on the ends, I'm using Smooth and Shine Foaming Lotion to saturate the loose ends. Then I'm going to go in with my perm rods. I used about 5 perm rods in total. I put some hot water in a bowl and I'm going to dip the perm rods in the bowl.
Breathe. I'm on the hill. Freeze, I'm on the ill. Freeze, I'm on the ill.
I'm going to wrap the rubber band around my bun, and I'm going to press the beginning portion of my braid into my bun, and I will secure and lock the braid in place by applying hairpins. This portion of the hair that we left out, we will wrap this around our braid to secure it even further.
Freeze, I'm on the ill. Freeze, I'm on the ill.
If you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. If you want to keep up with me, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell.